Friends, family, and just our general neighbors here across southern parts of the United States, all concerned about Hurricane Helene and rapidly undergoing intensification. It already is. So wind speeds now 80 miles an hour, peak gusts of 100, moving north-northwest at 10 as it continues through the warm Gulf of Mexico waters. The sea surface temperatures contribute to the escalation of this storm, strengthening to a Category 3 by tomorrow and making landfall somewhere around the Big Bend of Florida tomorrow night, between 8 p.m. and midnight, roughly. So the sea surface temperatures are sitting in the mid to upper 80s. That's plenty of fuel for this storm, unfortunately, and it brings in lots and lots of tropical downpours across much of the deep south into parts of the Mississippi, Ohio, and Tennessee River valleys. So this is just going to sit there day after day, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and beyond, perhaps, bringing in lots of rain and some run-of-the-mill general thunderstorms across the Midwest. As for Florida, as well as now Georgia and South Carolina included in many of these watches and warnings with the impact of this storm, and the warnings all posted from coast to coast all across the peninsula of Florida. Here's why. The wind has expanded out from the center of the storm. The field will be more than 400 miles wide, as it is a Category 3, with each individual storm moving in and onto the land, bringing us not only the heavy rain, the wind threat, but also a tornado, a spin-up tornado threat too. And as we see some of the timing, about 11 p.m. making landfall somewhere along the coast, the Gulf Coast of Florida, around the Big Bend area. So everyone on guard. Preparations are starting to wrap up as we've had a bit of warning the last couple of days. We've anticipated this strengthening, and here it comes. So tomorrow night is when we expect the big impacts with storm surge as well. So storm surge, 10 to 15 feet around the Big Bend, 5 to 8 foot storm surge across Tampa to Sarasota, 3 to 5, 1 to 3. So lots and lots of storm surge impact too, with many coastal communities undergoing evacuations for today. So that storm is down to the south. We'll keep you updated on the impacts from that. Here locally, we have our own system to deal with. And this is an area of low pressure, run-of-the-mill showers, nothing intense, no major systems moving our way. But it will help to contribute to a little wind direction change eventually and additional showers for tomorrow. So we do have, because of an east wind, some of these sprinkles, spritzes, and areas of drizzle across parts of Cape Ann. Into southern New Hampshire, we have these spot showers, as well as northern parts of Worcester County, Worcester Hills too. That's going to be the case throughout the day today as we see mostly cloudy skies, repeated waves of some drizzle at the shore, an east wind keeping it quite chilly with temperatures in the 60s and then falling into the 50s overnight. With more clouds around and an incoming area of low pressure with an attached cold front, that means we have widespread showers and downpours moving through on Thursday. Thursday morning for Boston, south and east, we start off dry, but by afternoon, you're going to need all the rain gear, the rain boots, the raincoat, something you haven't had maybe in a very long time since we've had such a dry stretch, especially across the interior, as you missed out on a lot of rain over the weekend. But here we have some heavy downpours and showers and thunder shower activity too. I don't anticipate any severe weather, but throughout the day tomorrow, it's going to be windswept rain from time to time as we see these showers amounting to about an inch of accumulation from north to south. So we get rid of